Today we will be learning behaviors that support reading so that we can do our very best. When we work, it should be done for His glory. Therefore, we need to give the Lord our best. Colossians 3:23 reminds us that whatever we do, do it heartily as to the Lord and not to men. Reading and writing are two activities that are generally done independently. If you are distracted during these activities, you probably aren't giving your best to the Lord. We are going to look at a few places that would have distractions, causing difficulty to read or write to the best of your ability. If you are attempting to work while in front of a television, your mind cannot focus on the activity at hand. As humans, we have difficulty doing two things at once. If you are trying to complete a reading or a writing assignment, and a family member has the television on, it would be a good idea to find a quiet place until your assignment is finished. Another place full of distractions would be on a playground or in a place in your neighborhood that children like to play. Most likely, you would be thinking about wanting to play with them. Therefore, you would lose focus of your work. I'm reminded of the time in the book of Luke when Jesus and his disciples went to a quiet place in the Garden of Gethsemane. This was a place free from distractions so that Jesus could pray. We can learn by his example and find quiet places to do our work. Let's brainstorm some places that we could read or write that are quiet in order that we can do our very best work. You could always go to the library. Libraries are always quiet, and most of the time they contain study tables. If there are no study tables, they might have a study room that you can reserve. Another good place is your quiet bedroom. Oftentimes when you get home from school, your mom may be making dinner, maybe your dad is on the phone, and you may even have a little brother or sister playing in the living room. All of these things can be quite distracting, so it would be a good idea to go to your room where you can close your door. When you are faced with time to read or write, remember to check your surroundings to make sure you are free from distractions and make adjustments if needed.